Hi guys, today I am going to teach you double integral, that is Cartesian to polar coordinates. We put x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. We take up an example, that is evaluate the integral, double integral, that is 0 to 1 is the limit and 0 to root of 1 minus y square. X square plus y square dx dy. Now let us take up the solution. Here we have x is equal to 0 as one of the limit, 2 x is equal to 1 minus y square. Therefore, x square is equal to 1 minus y square, or x square plus y square is equal to 1, which is a circle with radius equal to 1 and the center is at 0, 0. And the other limit is y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. Therefore, the region is as under. We take up x-axis and y-axis. Here O is the center, that is 0, 0. This line represents y is equal to 0 and this line represents x is equal to 0. We draw the circle. Here r is equal to 1 minus y square. We represent it in the polar form, so we drop two lines and we draw the region. Now r is equal to 1, so in polar coordinates, y is equal to 1 sin theta and x is equal to 1 cos theta, as r is equal to 1. Therefore, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta, and x square plus y square is equal to r square. Therefore, our integral changes. Now we will put the limits. R is equal to 0 to r is equal to 1 and theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Now if we come back to the sketch, we will find that y is equal to 0 to, the radius is from 0 to 1 and the coordinates that is theta will be 0 to pi by 2 since it is the first quadrant. Then the integral becomes r square r dr d theta, which is equal to 0 to pi by 2 and 0 to 1 is the r cube dr d theta. Now we integrate it with reference to r. So which becomes r to the power 4 by 4. Now we put the limits, that is 0 to 1 d theta, which is equal to 1 by 4, we take it out, theta, 0 to pi by 2, which is equal to 1/4 into pi by 2. So we have pi by 8 as our answer. Now let us take up another problem, that is, express the following integral in polar coordinates and evaluate. The integral that is from 0 to a, and it is root of a minus x square and a minus x square dx dy. Now let us take us the limits. Limits given are y is equal to ax minus x square, or y square is equal to ax minus x square, or x square minus ax plus y square is equal to 0. For which we find the third term. So we have got the second term only, we don't have the third term. So we find third term is equal to middle term square by 4 into first term, which is equal to minus ax whole square by 4x square, which is equal to a square x square by 4x square, which is equal to a square by 4. Therefore, the equation becomes x square minus ax plus a square by 4 minus a square by 4. Since we have added it, we will subtract it also, plus y square is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus a by 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a by 2 whole square, which is a circle with center a by 2 and 0, and the radius r is equal to a by 2. Another limit is y is equal to root of a square minus x square. Therefore, y square is equal to a square minus x square. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to a square, which is a circle with center zero zero and radius is a. The other limits are x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Thus, the region is as under. We draw the region now. This is the x-axis. We have the center 0 0. Here we can mark is a by 2. Here we can mark a and 0 as the point. We drop this circle. This is the y-axis. And another circle with center a by 2 and radius a by 2. Now, this is the bigger circle and this one is the smaller circle. Now, the region we drop between these two circles. That is our region of integration. Now, this line represents theta is equal to 0 and the y-axis is represented by theta is equal to pi by 2. And this line is represented by r is equal to a. Therefore, limits would be from x square plus y square minus ax is equal to 0, or x square plus y square is r square minus a, in place of x we write r cos theta. From this we have r is equal to a cos theta. To the other circle, that is the larger circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square, or r square is equal to a square, or r is equal to a. And theta is equal to 0, that is the other limit, to theta is equal to pi by 2.